You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Taron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time of seeing my channel, do well by subscribing. All you need to do is click on the red subscribe button. All right, please, you will notice that it's been a long time that I posted on YouTube. My subscribers, encourage me by sharing the link to this channel to your friends. Make it like, let it go viral. Let people subscribe to my channel. When I see people, it will ginger me to make more videos. All right, so it's been a long time that I've posted here. So if today is the first time, like I said, please subscribe. And if you have been watching my videos and you have never subscribed, please subscribe. We put a lot of work into making videos and we spend a lot of money, and the video you're watching is for free. All right, so now I'm going to be showing you how to make another beautiful and exciting bag today. All right, but if you would like to know how to measure how many bags to get, how many bags to get in a yard, how many, if you want to calculate for 100 bags, 1000 bags, and so on and so forth, you can join my Telegram class. It's not free, so if you want to join, call or WhatsApp me. It's only for those that are serious for this. So call me on 08036588365. I mean, chat me, don't call. Just WhatsApp me on +234 8036588365. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this video. But for those that are my Telegram class students, I show them how to calculate and do so many things. You have a lot to gain in my Telegram class, because we will not have much time to do all this on YouTube. But on my Telegram, I will have the time to shed more light on how to make bags and the measurements, the costing, how to price, and so many other things. You will have access to me to ask questions, to chat me one-on-one on my WhatsApp. All right, so let's get into the detail of this video. So it's a simple bag, okay? All right, so let's dive in. So I'll fold it like this. I'll turn it to the right side and top stitch it. So bring out your belt this way. All right, so the side rounding, you need 37 inches. You need 37 inches. Okay, so I cut 5 by 37. So for my Telegram students, I show them how to calculate all these things, so you have more time to spend with me as my Telegram students, and you will never regret registering with me. All right, so now this is it. Okay, so I'm going to fold like 1 inch inside, then do like this, and then top stitch it, going all the way round the back, round the body, the main body. So when you get to the end point here, lift this and then use your hand to control. If the side is too much, you reduce it. So look at the remaining. What I did, I folded the remaining inside. Okay. So this side is perfectly finished or completed, right? So now the next thing is I'm going to be fixing the other side, which is this, right? Now this is my right side. I'll fold some inside. So you can see that we are almost done. Please share the link. Please share this video to everyone, to your friends, to everybody that loves, to the bag lovers, bag making lovers. Encourage me to do more videos. The more views I get, the more encouraged I'll be. All right, so far so good. We're done with the bag. So see what we have. Can you see? So if you would like to know how to charge your customers, how to, price your bag, how many to get in a yard, and so on and so forth, join my Telegram class by chatting me up. If you're not interested in paying, please, it's not free. Do not chat me. Thank you. All right, so thanks to all those to my subscribers. Please share this video with friends. Share the link to your friends and well wishers. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for viewing. Bye for now.